five things I see in the East and the whole world is all right. One can be better like a stone. There are people like stone, they don't want to be, they don't, they are stones, they are there. So this fifth category, not in the stone, which I am talking about human beings. Human beings are like stone. They remain there. You can't change them. This I what is my belief, I don't want to change. I don't want to hear it. Because I know many people, when the one person, I have one, when Harish is here, he wanted to come to India, and his father said, you go to India? Oh my God, he will be forgetting about Judaism, religion, and there the cobras and all the people are living with the cobras and cows. And so Harish came to me, and I said, you talk to your father. But his father was very open person. So when he talked to him, he said, go. He allowed. And he came, and we came with a new openness, awareness. His father started coming to talk. And he was such a, because openness. But what we have idea, if another person was there, no, I will not allow you, go to India. And these people who do not believe in Jesus or in Judaism, okay, you are atheist. One can become stone. Then category only grow vegetation. They live, eat, and grow on. They live on how to eat, enjoy, and run around. So second category is human beings live like vegetation. Vegetate them. They don't know what to be human being, what to feel. Third category can be the person who runs away from pain. Where there is a pain, they run away, and where there is pleasure, they go to all hedonism. So they are always seeking where is the pleasure. So they, when they open the paper, how to go on a trip, how to have anything, and they take all the things they prepare for it. They are not home, happy at home. Because of the ego, they created hope and hell, and that is why they want to go to or hedonism, and there they take lot of luggage and so much hotel and wait for the airport. Sometimes they get tired and all frustration and go there and they open the luggage. It takes half a day to take out all the bags and then half a day to unpack and heavy load they take, and they come from vacation. It is Sunday and one day rest. You want to go to office, you know, I want to rest. I rest. So what were you doing there? They get tired with all the airplane and hotel and managing, carrying luggage, time difference. But it is all the concept. They are ready to suffer anything because of the concept. So the third category is to run away from pain, and when they have a description of pleasure, they run away. Description, not the reality. And people can create anything with the description. The fourth people are. But when we go to that category, only the human being people I know, but you know who you are. The moment you realize today, or in this glimpse, the moment I am what I am seeking. If it was not me, how could If you see Mahavir or Buddha, you say, I am Buddha, I know. You see Jesus, you say, I am Jesus, I am a simple man. And Jesus was simple. And that is why when I met Pope Paul in 1970 in Vatican, and I was a guest there, and we had a meeting, and you will see the picture. And that time, I asked one question, if you don't mind. He said, what? He said, I heard that Jesus did not have anything, and here you have got a fire. He was a simple person. And he said, the poor will be blessed. So why we cannot have simple life? So much protocol to come and be with the secretary at time. So the secretary was very smart fellow. He said, please, it is a protocol. Because in a protocol, you are talking general thing and not discussion. I understand. But what I see, the people sometimes are capitalizing the purest thing. And when you know that you know that divine thing you have to know. And when you know that I am that will be the day. It will be a transformation of consciousness, and you will see that what to do and what not to do. I don't want to do anything which is not conducive for my peace. So that is Soham, that is the mantra Soham. Soham means I am that. So means that. No, Aham means I. I am that what I am seeking. So Koham, Naham, Soham. These three words. Mantra. Why they are so great in philosophy and meditation, in all the tradition. It may be Hindu, it may be Jain, it may be Buddha. In all the three words are Oham, Naham, Soham. Who am I? Naham, not what I am conditioned. Soham, what I am unconditioned. So my friend, it is a good day to go with breath, and along with the breath you can fly. Because sometimes I compare breath with the air when I am with the aeroplane. When the aeroplane was going 30,000 feet high, 40,000. Boeing goes more than 40,000. And I was wondering, if people come with so much luggage, 2 to 3 big bag, and their own weight, and the bag's weight is 3 times more than their own, and they all want to do it. And I said, who is carrying those things? What is that? They know anything? It makes me, I very feel, I tell you, but it gives me so much meditation to experience. The air, it is so thin, we can't see. The air is lifting such a load, and when they declare 200 tons or 300 tons and 1,000 tons, the plane is lifting so much weight. On what? Can you imagine what? No any support, no any ground, just air. The power of air, invisible, you can't see, but it makes see all the things lift. Our breath is like air. We can't see, the breath has the same power to lift you high as breath. If you know how to use the breath. But it is naturally. And you go with that, and when you breathe, your body will relax. Your senses will be calm. And when senses are calm, body is relaxed, you see what you are. You experience. You feel exhilarated. Namaste. Yeah.
Of the three hums, what is the first one? Are you saying whole hum? Or what?
Ko hum.
Spell it.
Ko hum. Ko hum means ko means who, and aham means I. Who am I?
K-O.
K ko.
Ko. Got it. Okay.
The word is kaha and aham, so it becomes a compound. So it becomes ko aham. Ko hum.
Thank you.
And so means that, and aham means soham. And na and aham, not me. Not na means not. Koham, na.
So koham is a question.
Huh?
Koham is a question?
Koham means whoever. Yeah, you are right. Koham means whoever. So we have to disidentify with the names or other things which we have taken to forget ourselves. So we separate. So now just let us recite Khamiya Khamaviya and forgive everyone and forgive ourselves.
Let the perfect souls